How to share folders from your Google Drive. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick way to share your files either through links or through different methods from your Google Drive with your friends or your coworkers. So first of all, choose the file you want to share. For example, let's choose this one. Click on the three dots right here in the top right corner and click on Share. After clicking on the Share button, you'll be prompted to give people access to your file. So for the general access, there is restricted or anyone with a link. I prefer to use this one and just copy the responder link, and now I have a link ready to use to enter my form or my file that I shared. And that's a very quick way to share your files from your Google Drive. There's another option, which is to write down the emails of each person you want to share this with. You can choose if it's an editor or just someone with a viewing access. And that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.